Elbit Systems presents the Hermes 450 Unmanned Aircraft System. At the base of the Hermes 450 Unmanned Aircraft System is the Air Vehicle, a tactical, long-endurance, multi-payload UAV. The Hermes 450 is a robust, versatile airframe equipped with an advanced and highly efficient power plant. Fully redundant flight computers, avionics, and power supplies contribute to its record-breaking reliability. The Hermes 450 air vehicle can carry a wide variety of multiple internal and external payloads. Since becoming operational in the IDF in the mid-1990s, Hermes Family Systems logged more than 300,000 operational flight hours in more than 40,000 successful combat missions for various forces around the globe. Based on decades of Israeli UAS operational expertise, the Hermes 450 is the most versatile and reliable unmanned aircraft platform in the world. But reliability and versatility are just one side of the equation. The Hermes Ground Control Station provides the other half of this winning formula. With dual mission capability, each air vehicle is assigned to a single operator. The Hermes Ground Control Station is characterized by an intuitive, mission-centric design with a high level of automation. The operator can navigate the UAV and point the payload by simply dragging and dropping their on-screen icons. By selecting the flyby camera mode, the operator essentially slaves the air vehicle to the payload. While the operator manipulates the payload, the system autonomously adjusts the air vehicle flight profile to allow optimal observation, freeing the operator to focus on the video. With advanced flight automation and an embedded mission trainer, no piloting skills are required, and operator training is fast and cost-effective. A typical UAS mission is comprised of numerous and complex tasks. The Hermes 450 high level of automation and intuitive operational concept enables the operator to focus on the most crucial tasks and delegate all other tasks to the system's automatic controls. The Hermes 450 UAS from Elbit Systems. Versatile, intuitive, effective.